The answer to this question, I'm going to have to say, are topical hyaluronic acid serums, especially over-the-counter ones. I'm sorry, guys, but you're just wasting your money. They may feel good and they smell good and they may look like they give you a nice hydrated look to the skin, but this is a product that I would consider one of those Band-Aids that I've talked about in previous videos. It's not actually doing anything for your skin. Scientifically speaking, most hyaluronic acid molecules are way too big to penetrate your skin barrier and actually give you any sort of deep hydrating effects. So hyaluronic acid can absorb up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So once that hyaluronic acid is on your skin, it's got to get that water from somewhere. If you have especially dry skin and you put on a hyaluronic acid serum on top, it could pull even more water out of your skin from the deeper layers because it's not getting down there. It's pulling all the deep hydration from the inner layers to the outside, which can actually make your skin look even drier. And if you especially live in a very dry environment, that hyaluronic acid's got to get its water from somewhere. So where do you think it's going to get it? That's right, from in your skin. So sometimes these topical hyaluronic acid serums can actually work against us. It's much better to use products that are going to help strengthen your skin barrier and support your natural hydration processes and not do all your skin's work for it, because it can make your skin lazy over time. So if you're having trouble with your skin, you're not sure what you should be using, schedule a consult with me. It could even be virtual, and I'll help get you started.